mulikio butambe ase wizara y'obukeno n'abateneri bande nigo batebire bunemero biliyo nigo yabekirwe eliokwirania oburwaire bwa kansanse eliokwanekia buna nigo abantu banyolire igoro yengane iyo nakumanya kelike bwenerete ayo niga yakwa nase nyigitali nene ya Kenyatta ekero ensemo yokuligereria mangana y'oburwaire bwa kansa yalinge kuigurwa litukulia lero.
So as we continue to put efforts in strengthening our health system to ensure that there is equitable and there is accessible cancer prevention and control services, we realize the importance of delivering faster and earlier diagnosis and better experiences for our patients. Our presence here to launch the Kenyatta University Teaching and Referral Hospital Breast Cancer Center of Excellence is an acknowledgement of the need to transform the way that we deliver diagnostic services for cancer.
I'm glad to note that the KUTRH Center will provide a valuable resource for continuous breast care services and support.
We look forward to contributing immensely to the fight against cancer through early regular screening, diagnosis and treatment to improve